In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install apps on a Lenovo laptop or PC. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you need to do is either go to the developer's website, or we'll go through the next method in a minute. But essentially, what you can do is download it directly through them. So open up a web browser of your choice, and then once you're on the web browser, and I'm using Google Chrome for this, you can download really whatever you want. So for example, I could go to epicgames.com and download Epic Games from here, just by selecting download up in the top right and then going through with the installation process. However, I honestly already have Epic Games, so I'm not going to do that in this instance. Some apps may, ask you to go through the installation process by hitting next a few times, accepting the agreement, and of course choosing an install location. Just make sure you're following all of the on-screen instructions, and once installed, the app may open automatically. If not, you can find it on your desktop or search for it just like so. The second method is going to be through downloading apps on the Microsoft Store. What you can do is just hit search down at the bottom, type in Microsoft, and then store, just like so. Hit enter to open it up, and then from here you might be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account, but you could find a bunch of different apps on here. For example, Spotify, select it, and then you could hit install, and it's going to pretty much install the exact same way. And then you could search it down here to open it up, or find the shortcut on your desktop if you have one on there. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can download apps on a Lenovo laptop. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.